Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejala ukon rat ki sangma hane kesengi habakran bat ki nong thok khubor ule thu baki lepenlong ye kejialang banyakran halor artli kimat kata ka CM Connect kata ka benta ka baningkong ka call center bat ka benta ka baar jong ka CM Connect ka de halor ka jing pensyai pat ba hak ba menteri Rangba unya kendu ye ki brieu ban sangap ye ka ka baki kwa ban pensngo ka benta ka balai ka long baki office Bapher anbu hakeleng kejala hak baki pat ba kila ban Lait syakini ki office banwat jingtep halor ki skim Bapher baru banra iki kot kisla ban pancing arab hakani ka office ka benta ka baar ka long ka jingakran ban penduna ya ka Dheng kali hakan Nongbah Shillong ka benta baningkong kumbalatip baka Sorkar kan ra ano ya ki office Shna Shillong bat ka Sorkar kala shimru ya kalat kalenti ban Shna ya ki Jaka Ïeng kali hakaleng saudong ka Nongbah ban penduna ya ka jing Ïeng ki kali harut surak.
We had two meetings today, and the first meeting was regarding the CM Connect. As you are aware that under the CM Connect program, there are 3 layers which we had initiated, and under the first layer, it is the call centers that has been activated. We've received about 3,000 plus calls, almost 4,000 calls in the last few months, and we are seeing that the number and frequency is going up. The second level of CM Connect is the second phase, which is the public hearings, where Chief Minister will connect directly with the public, where public hearings will take place in different blocks on a regular basis, along with different government officials. And we will connect with the public by going down, and this is the second phase, as I said, of CM Connect, which we had initially launched. Third phase is that the CM Connect will have different offices in different parts of the state, where people can go to these offices and apply for schemes, get information, and also submit their complaints. So that was the first part of the meeting. The second part of the meeting today was a massive program for working towards the second phase of decongestion of Shillong city. And in the first phase, as you're aware, that many government lands which were lying unused have been transferred or shifted to Urban Affairs, and Urban Affairs has gone ahead and created parking lots, like you've seen in the one in Lait, in Nigrims. Then we have tendered out the one, the Forest Department in Polo, the MECL one in Polo. These have been tendered out, and in some places the work has even started. So now, continuing with that entire momentum, we have gone through the different processes of now using more government property to create more parking lots. For example, in the Barik point, there is a program to shift the PWD office, which is happening very soon, and convert that again into some parking space and green space. And as I said, we'll be hoisting the national flag there, which will be a large 40-meter, 50-meter flag, which will be hoisted. Like that, certain government bungalows, certain spaces like the Barik, the bright bungalow. Yeah, so the bungalow there will be used for parking, and we'll be creating more space there. Simply in Hydri Park also, once we are able to shift the animals from there, which we expect in about 3 months to 4 months time to shift the animals, we will be converting some area from there also into parking space, as well as expanding some park for civil hospital. So all these kind of discussions took place, and overall the land that are available with certain departments which are not being utilized in the most efficient manner, we have worked towards rationalizing those lands, whether it's in Shillong city or other parts of the state, and detailed presentation on that has been given, but it will not be possible for me to, of course, give you all the facts of these. But we do expect that when this happens, there will be much more open space, much more parking space, and the vehicles which are parked on the road now will be parked in the parking spaces, and we'll get space to also expand the road. For example, we are going to be expanding the road and creating footpaths from Shillong Club all the way going up to the Governor House Junction, and all the way going to the Pinewood Junction. So there, the land of the forest, the tourism and the forest department, which is Watts Lake, we will take some space from there, extend the boundary wall, and create a walking space for the pedestrian, so that people have a space to walk out there. So these kind of micro plannings were done on the correct time. We will give you more details about it. But all these were discussed, and we have approved all this. Not approved, but we have seen the presentation today. and many things are happening. So we will not be able to share all of it today with you. But the meeting today was to discuss all of these matters. As soon as the MCC is over, then we will start all of this. We don't have the exact figure because, as I said, this is only the part where we were discussing and getting the necessary approvals in terms of principal approvals to say, okay, let's start this process. So it is starting, and as I said, as soon as the MCC is over, we'll be able to get more details. But even places like the Barik one, we expect that already the quarters and the space for the PWD officials is already under construction, and we expect that by July we'll be able to shift them to the other location, and we'll be able to take over the Barik point and convert that into a small park and parking space, and also hoist the flag